Hello, good morning. Welcome me all of you to my group and also my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys on go to Play Store and find the app that is paid app. As you can see, let's look at premium apps. Let me start from starting so that you guys are not confused. If you go, these are Play Store. Look at these are our Play Store look like. You go for the paid app. This premium app which you have to pay. You can look under all this app with paid app. You have to pay the certain amount of money to get each of this app. Let's say you want to download this MX Player Pro. If you want to download it directly from Play Store, you will not be able to download it because you have to pay this 2,000 naira to get this app on Play Store. But how can we download this app free without paying? First, what we do is we go back to the app. We just download the AC Market app. You search MX. You search MX Player Pro. You search MX Player Pro. MX Player Pro. You can see it's already here. Search it. As you can see, this is the MX Player Pro. You don't, it's paid. It's a paid app in Play Store. Why MX Market is not a paid app? You can download it absolutely for free. So you just download it. Click on download. You see free download. Wow, you can now download this app for free. You play the free download. In a minute, it will start downloading. Downloading started. You can check this one for downloading. You see our MX Player Pro is downloading. So just wait some few minutes for it to download. It's a paid app in Play Store, and now in MC Market is not a paid app. So we use the MC Market to download a paid app, any paid app that's on Play Store. Very easy. Now you have downloaded it, you can now install it. You click install, you install the app. Certainly you approve it. Go back and install. Our MX Player Pro is installing right in our phone without me paying a dime to Play Store. But can this get approved by Play Store? Let's just watch and see. Now done. I'm not going to open it. As you can see, I have the app right here. I have the app right in my phone. Let's go back to Play Store and check something. As you can see now, it's approved by Play Store. Play Store approves it, which shows that we have downloaded the app right here in Play Store and also in MC Market. We downloaded this app in MC Market, which is a paid app, and Play Store approve it. You see, it's very easy to do. You don't have to pay any money to get any paid app anymore. Just use the MC Market and you are just going. Thank you for watching. There is a simple trick on how to get a paid app from Play Store. And don't forget to give me the like, subscribe to this channel, and also give your comment section below. Thank you.